from Glen to Glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. Oh Lord, it's you, must go, and I must buy. With snow, then I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny, Danny boy, Danny boy, I love you so. But come to me, my Danny, Danny, oh, say you love me. If I am dead, as dead I well may be, you'll come and find the place where and kneel and say yes and send away and away he'll
she lay sleeping. I stay out late at night and play my songs, and sometimes all the nights can be so long. And it's good when I finally make it home, all alone, while she lays dreaming. I try to get undressed without the light, and quietly she says, how was your night? And I come to her and say, it was alright, and I hold her tight. And she believes in me. She sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, could change the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has left me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way, while she lays waiting. I stumble to the kitchen for a bite. Then I see my old guitar in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's no end while she lays crying. I fumble with a melody or two, then I'm torn between the things that I should do. Then she says to wake her up when I am through. God, her love is true. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday, if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has faith in me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way. While she lays, while she waits for me.
The power, 5,000 watts. The frequency, 97.5. The call letters, DZOK FM.
97.5 OK FM.
Sabay sa pagbabago kan panahon, pinagkakatiwalaan sa pagpapaabot kan mga bareta asin impormasyon, totoong balansyado, mga komentaryong susog sa tamang rason, tugtugan na swak sa kada henerasyon, kumpleto sa rikados, mayo ka ng hahanapon, broadcasting live from PBN Center. Ini ang OKFM Naga. Member KBP.
This is the rhythm, 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 rhythm. This is the rhythm, 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 rhythm. This is the rhythm, 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 rhythm of the night.
Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend the dinero. We party to the extremo, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend the dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo.
Ritmo.
No son ni Reebok ni Sonai, nah. Sin estilista luzco fly. La Rosalía me dice que luzco guay. No te lo niego porque yo sé lo que hay. Lo que se ve no se pregunta. Yo te espero y tengo claro que es mi culpa. Como Canelo en el ring nada me asusta. Vivo en mi oasis y la paz no me la tumba. Hakuna Matata como Timon y Pumba. Voy pa' leyenda así que dale zumba. Los dejo ciego con la vibra que me alumbra. Heiras pa' la tumba, nosotros pa' la rumba.
This
bout to spend a dinero. We party to the extremo, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend a dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo.
Ritmo.
The rhythm, the rebel, styles upon styles upon styles, I got several. Born to be wild cause I live like a dead devil. Live it up, hit 'em up, that's a scenario. Tupac, I get around like a merry-go. Rooftop, I am on top of the pedestal. Flu shot, I am so sick I need medical. Huta, I learned that shit down in Mexico.
The rhythm, the rebel. New and improve, I be on a new level. That's how we do it, we build it like Lego. Feel on a fire, you're dealing with fuego. Can't stop, I am addicted, I never quit. Won't stop, don't need to speak to no therapist. Don't stop, keeping it moving's the narrative. Don't stop, do it like whoop, there it is.
This is the rhythm, 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 rhythm of the night.
Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend a dinero. We party to the extremo, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend a dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo.
Ritmo.
You like that space?
모든 게 궁금해질 때 tell me oh yeah 뭐가 널 행복하게 하는지 text me oh yeah
Your every picture, 내 머리만 듣고 싶어.
Call me my teacher 네 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘 You want your two Listen to my baby 나는 저 하늘을 높이 날고 있어 네가 내게 잡은 편하게 이상적인 너무 높아 난 내 눈에 널 맞추고 싶어 Yeah, you're making me your boy with love Oh my Faded all my life 내 전부 함께 하고 싶어 Oh my Looking for something right 이제 조금은 나 알겠어 I want something stronger That I won't need love I have waited longer For a boy with love
알게 되니 후야 내 삶은 언덕너야 관계 섭섭하지 않게 만들어버린 너라는 배 하나부터 열까지 모든 게 특별하지 너의 관심사 걸음걸이 말투와 사소한 작은 습관들 같이 난 말했지 너무 작다 내가 영웅이 된 거라고 난 말했지 운명 따윈 전부터 내게 아니었다고 세계의 평화 너내 앉아서 그저 널 지켜봐 날
Listen to my baby 나는 저 하늘을 높이 날고 있어
이제 네가 내게 조금 편하게 해.
이상적인 너무 높아 난 내 눈에 널 맞추고 싶어 Yeah, you're making me your boy with love Oh my You got me high so fast 내 전부 함께 하고 싶어 Oh my You got me fly so fast 이제 조금은 나 알겠어 Love is nothing stronger You're my boy with love Love is
나도 모르게 힘이 들어가기도 했어. 높아버린 sky 커져버린 hall 때론 도망치게 해달라며 기도했어. But 너의 상처는 나의 상처 깨달았을 때 나 다짐했던 건 네가 준 그 후세 나에게로 태양이 아닌 너에게로 Let me fly.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. Just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. Kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. Baby, I'm
okay ka.
Sakit ng ulo, sakit ng katawan. I-biopatch mo na yan. At eto ang isa sa mga nakaramdam ng ginhawa sa paggamit ng biopatch.
Ako po si Diosdado Alvarez, taga Peña Francia, 50 years old. May arthritis dahil nakakaturog sa kulog pagbanggi. Kung ka magamit atong Biopatch Foresap sa talampakan, nakaturog na ako asin ma-Biopatch Foresap presko sa bitis. Kaya kung ako sa Indo, mag-Biopatch Foresap na kamo.
Kaya ikaw, mag-biopatch ka na.
Ngunya na panahonin pandemya, dai mo na kaipuhan magluwas para magsaod o mag-shopping kan sa indong mga pangangaipo sa indong harong. Kaya mag-Master Square Shop online na! I-type sana ang www.mastersquare.ph asin i-click ang menu sa walang parte para sa pagpili kan mga gusto mong produkto. I-add ang item sa cart asin pilio ng option na delivery or pick up at store. Halaton ang samuyang text message. Kung ang sa imong sinaudan ready for pick up na or delivery, kaya mag-shop online na sa Master Square, J. Hernandez Avenue, Naga City.
Ang new normal kasama ang Gen Z. Face mask, check. Face shield, check. Alcohol, check. Sapat na ba para sa depensa at proteksyon?
Dapat may Gen Z din araw-araw. Ang Gen Z Vitamin C ay nakakatulong magpalakas ng immune system. Kasama ang proper diet at exercise, may laban sa impeksyon, may distancing sa sakit, proteksyon at depensa sa labas at loob. Ito ang new normal natin.
Gen Z Vitamin C, may laban tayo!
Ascorbic acid is the generic name of Gen Z. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Catherine here. Paalala lang to always wash your hands with Lifebuoy. Pagkatapos kumain, pagka-receive ng package, after work, wash hands with Lifebuoy antibacterial soap.
Kung ang hanap mo'y di kalidad na car tires at car batteries ng iyong sasakyan, aba, solve na ang iyong problema. Sagot ka ng Redelgon Tire Trading. Redelgon Tire Trading, garantisado ang serbisyo sa presyong abot kaya. Mapapawaw kang talaga. Kaya tara na, subukan na ang Redelgon Tire Trading. Redelgon Tire Trading. Redelgon Tire Trading. Sa serbisyo at presyong panalo ka.
Riddlegon Tire Trading, managed by Paulo Gonzaga, with following satellite branches: 1 RPJ Tires and Auto Supply, Vincent's Avenue, Log On Diet Camarines Norte, JFTP Tire Supply, Barangay Binatayan, Diversion Road, Taragalbay, and John Ray Tire Supply, Diversion Road, Triangulo, Naga City, owned by Renato Gonzaga.
Okay FM.
Gusto ko, okay ka.
I never believed in things that I couldn't see. I said if I can't feel it, then how could it be? No, no magic could happen to me. And then I saw you, I couldn't believe it. You took my heart, I couldn't retrieve it. Said to myself, what's it all about? Now I know there can be no doubt. You can do magic. You can have anything that you desire. Magic. And you know you're the one who can put out the fire. You know darn well when you cast your spell, you will get your way. When you hypnotize
want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I don't need you. I've got to break free. God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. This time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Yeah. God knows I've fallen in love. It's strange, but it's true. Hey, I can't get over the way you love me like you do. But I have to be sure when I walk out the door. Oh, how I want to be free, baby. Oh, how I want to be free. Oh, how I want to break free. But life still goes on. I can't get used to living without you by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, God knows, got to make it on my own. So baby, can't you see? I've got to break free. I've got to break free. I want to break free. Yeah. I want to break free.
Okay, FM.
Gusto ko, okay ka.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. No, I can't help falling in love with you.
Gusto ko, okay ka.
dibdib. Tapos hindi po ako makatulog po ng maayos. At saka po, yung bananabit po na aking balakang, halos hindi po ako kasama po makatayo, baka nakaupo. Siguro po mga kurang-kurang po 1 year po, ang laro na sa pong bananakit. Ay tagang pagtig po sa gasolix agad po ng rest COVID. 4 na po lang po, naranasan po agad po yun. Na po tagang gumagalit po ang aking mga naramdaman.
Baka nagsasabi yung mga tagapakinig natin, mga bayaran niya na mga tumatawag, binabayaran daw po kayo.
Ay hindi po sir, kahit po sir ako ay makakapagpatuloy po na ang rest ko po yung gusto po doon ay nakakapagpatuloy po ng mga karamdaman.
Para sa tunay na kagalingan, mag-Rice Coffee Mix na. Uminom ka rin lang ng ordinaryong synthetic na kape, dito ka na sa tunay na herbal at magaling. Rice Herbal Coffee Mix, ang kapeng healthy.
Mula na naman sa Rice Brand, narito ang pinakabago, pinakamagaling Rice Extreme Herbal Juice. Ang juice na punong-puno ng sustansya. Very affordable pa. 25 na sari-saring prutas at herbal extracts na siniksik sa isang inumin para makatulong magpalakas ng ating katawan. Spirulina, barley grass, buamera, aloe vera extract, guyabano, grapeseed, acai berry extract, dragon fruit, mangosteen at iba pang bigating ingredients. 25 fruits and herbs lahat-lahat ang laman ng Rice Extreme Herbal Juice. Kaya kung magjujuice ka rin lang naman, dito ka na sa Rice Extreme Herbal Juice. Tamang-tama ang lasa, kitang-kita ang bisa. Rice Extreme Herbal Juice. Subukan na. Mabibili sa mga butika, pharmacy at drugstore sa inyong lugar.
Madi, saan mo paklasayo ng mga aki mo?
Sa UNC pa di, hulita ang UNC minaopreser nin balansing edukasyon na papanaw na academic programs as in supportive learning environment. Igwasintang programa na success coaching na iyoan masuporta sa mga estudyante na makatapos as in makahanap tulos ng trabaho.
Iyo ano Madi, sa panahon ngunyan, kaipuhan ng gad ang maray na kalidad ng edukasyon para masiguro na makatapos ng pag-adal ang mga aki para sa maray na futuro.
Tama ka dyan pa di, ang UNC saro sa mga nangingenot asin dakulang institusyon sa Kabikulan. Napurbaran na ang track record na may marhay na kalidad asin halangkaw na oportunidad sa pag-impleyo. Bako lang sa satuyang lugar, kundi pati na sa ibang nasyon. Sa UNC, ang mga aki magiging life ready, work ready, asin future ready.
Ayos pala sa UNC Madi. Sige, tama si kaso na ako. Iibahan ko ang sakong aki na mag-enroll sa UNC. Salamat Madi!
Babareta, wais at mura, surf Babareta, ang wais choice.
Surf Bar Blossom Fresh. Nakakaputi, mabula at mabango sa wais na presyo. Surf Babareta ang wais choice.
Lemex na! Kawawang batay, lubo, hinika. Parado ng salbay, plema. May halamang muntik, natural ng pampawi. Kung tawagin ay lagundi. Nasa Plemex for Kids yan. Sarap lasang orange, yummy, banana. Plemex na!
Sa ubo ng Baby Basteco, Plemex Lagundi for Kids. Pinalalabnaw at pinalalabas ang plema para sa maginhawang paghinga.
Tigil na ubo, sarap na huminga. Plemex Lagundi for Kids na! Basta Lagundi, Plemex.
Vitex Nagundu L. Lagundi Leaf is the generic name of Plemex for kids. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
May malaking discount sa inyong volume purchase kahit saan sa kanilang 3 branches. Ang CBS Supermart ay walang kapares sa lowest price at customer service. Kumpleto ang paninda, wala nang hahanapin pa. May 24 counters, convenient at walang pila. Sa bawat pagbili, may reward kang makukuha. Sa CBS Store Club, negosyo mo, may asenso pa. Cabral Bicolandia Supermart. Ang CBS ay katuwang mo sa pag-angat. Cabral Bicolandia Supermart. Wala nang ibang presyong mas bababa pa.
Catherine here! Umaapela ako sa inyo to wash your hands with Lifebuoy or any soap for at least 20 seconds. Mag-mask at mag-social distancing ng at least 1 meter. Ang proteksyon ng bawat isa ay nasa kamay natin.
Lifebuoy, naghugas ka na ba ng kamay? Wash hands regularly with new Lifebuoy now in the Philippines.
Marami na ang nakapagpatunay. Nakadama ng kagalingan sa pag-inom ng Rice Coffee.
Iskalyo po, hindi niyo po sa malinaw sa libanan. Kukuha po na nagtatasa rin po ang ang lugo ko, high blood po ako. Tumasakit ang bato ko, saka nahihilo po ako. Itong rayuma ko, ang tuhod ko, tumasakit po, saka itong balakang ko. Pero alam mo po, Sir James, ngayon nakainom na ako, nawala na po yung nararamdaman kong sakit ng balakang ko po.
Para sa patuloy na ginhawa at kagalingan, ituloy lang ang pag-inom ng Rice Herbal Coffee Mix, ang kapeng healthy.
Sabay sa pagbabago kan panahon, pinagkakatiwalaan sa pagpapaabot kan mga bareta asin impormasyon, totoong balansyado, mga komentaryong susog sa tamang rason, tugtugan na swak sa kada henerasyon, kompletos Ricardos, mayo ka ng hahanapon, broadcasting live from PBN Center, ini ang OKFM Naga. Member KBP.
Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas, ang tamang oras po niya tungunyan, eksakto alas 11:33.
Halik sa News Center ng PBN TV5 asin OKFM Naga. Barreta, alas 12. Ang sendong para bareta. Barreta, alas 12. Sa headlines, ka mga bareta.
Mga tugang Diyos marahay na udto sa Inugabos, aldaw na Miyerkules po kita kunyan, Hulyo 7, taon 2021. Sa lado teknikal, kaibanan ko po si Chief Engineer Ernie Cledera. Backup si Engineer Ronel Isidro. Katuwang ang bilog na pwersa kan news team kan Aksyon OKFM asin na PBN TV5. Ako po ang sendong para barita. Ako po si Jeff Pasubilyo. Primero sa pamayukan mga bareta sa lado lokal,